Zip lines, tunnels, and larger-than-life attractions. More playgrounds opening in several Garland neighborhoods. Details in this Build Garland update.
Hi, I'm Saul Garza. Work continues at a fast pace on a number of bond projects, including the replacement of several neighborhood playgrounds.
Located just east of downtown, the new playground at Lou Huff Park is ready for adventurers of all ages. It's 7,500 square feet of fun that includes a zipline course, swing set, slide, seesaw, and even musical instruments. The main feature, a large multi-level globe that will have you spinning with excitement. In southern Garland, a nature theme can be found at the new playground at Oaks Branch Greenbelt Park. Among the features, a climbing challenge course, monorail, swings, climbing tunnel, and more. The playground was designed in keeping with the beauty of the existing natural surroundings in mind. There's no mistaking the inspiration behind the playground at Duck Creek Greenbelt. The cattail theme is designed to blend in with the existing natural surroundings. Kids of all ages can maneuver through an imaginary river, balancing on logs and rocks, climbing giant spiderwebs, and hopping onto a giant frog. The animal theme continues at the playground at Dorfman Park. It features a giant wooden lion, perfect for those looking for a safari adventure. Kids can let their imaginations run wild riding on the backs of giant ants.
And that's not all. 3 new playgrounds are set to open in just a few weeks. In all, 25 parks are on the list to get brand new playgrounds. For the latest on this and other bond projects, check out BuildGarland.com.